So guys, this is the the gun I was talking about. Using it for a concrete nail gun. Don't mistake it with the ones that are for wood. We also have one like that. It's a Spit Pulsa 40p plus. Basically works off of this little rechargeable battery, lithium ion. It holds charge for about a whole day. At least we've even used it for 2 and 3 days, depending on how much nailing you're actually doing. If you're going straight out, or if it's just tasks that keep going, stop and start. It's got this, and it has this little gas cartridge over here. I can't pull it out right now because it's still full. How do we know that? We press this button to check what it is, and you can see here that both the gas cartridge is at least full, half full, and this indicates here there's battery charge. You can still see there's nails in it right over here. These nails are going from the back. Best to load them in at one strip at a time, 10 a piece, 10 nails in each strip like this. Drop it in, hit the button, and we're ready to go. This is where it's a real game changer. Right now we're using it, we're nailing this track down onto concrete. It's steel track, it's 0.8 gauge, and it's going straight into concrete. I've already marked off where the piece of steel goes, and this is where it really saves time. So we just confirm it's on, line up. Now I can go and check out the alignment that I've marked off on the floor. It's in the right place. I like its alignment. I like to get the two ends to make sure I'm on a straight, line where I've marked off where I found off where the wall is. Put in another one. And now I'm just going to fasten it down. In order to fasten it down, I like to do on two sides. Do something about another 40-50 centimeters and do another 2. You can probably get away with less, but I feel it's really solid that way. If the floor is got a lot of contour to it, I try to put the nails right on the higher portions of the contours of the floor. The flatter the surface, the easier it is to work. But here we go. It wasn't full, there was probably about 15 in there. So here's another, if it's completely empty, not left 3 behind, I put in 2 full strips of 10. That's its capacity. Putting more than that doesn't make sense. And these are the little cartridges. They come with the nails. When you buy the nails, it's in the box. So here we're going with the same gun. We ran out of bullets, so we're going to just load up again. Should have had them in the pocket. And in a second, you can see how I go off the ladder. Always put the bullets in your pocket. Be ready to go. That's the trick about wearing a pouch. It's not just for style. Like I said, we put in 2 strips. Button. It's locked in. If you forget to do that, when you turn, all the bullets fall out. Bullets and nails, just bullets, whatever. We're using the exact same gun. We did the concrete before. Now we're going to be doing 5mm thick steel, RHS. And here we go. Don't forget your ear protection because it does give a big boom. You really need to press down on the gun, keep it in place. So we're just continuing along. We've already aligned this piece of metal. And that's it, enough. Not going anywhere.